guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I am the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today guys, I'm super happy. Why? Because today guys, I can share with you my favorite features in the new update for Adobe Photoshop on desktop. And I will start with the sky replacement. If you are a photographer, this feature is for you. You will love it. As you can see, I have opened already my image. I took this image a few years ago in Iceland, and today with you guys, I would like to exchange this boring background to something more beautiful. Of course, I was able to do it before as well, but now I can exchange my sky much faster, and I actually can enjoy of this process. First of all, I would like to bring your attention to my layers panel. I have only one layer for now. I will close my layers panel just for better preview for you. And I will click on edit. And here guys, I will click on sky replacement, just like that. And Photoshop will open the sky replacement workspace for me. If you noticed, Photoshop exchanged already the sky, because Photoshop remembers the last sky I was working with in this particular workspace. If I would like to change the sky to something different, I can do it as well. To do so, I will expand my sky library, and here guys, we have three different sets of libraries of skies. I'm sorry. We have blue skies, we have sunsets, and we have spectacular. At the top of our libraries, if you notice guys, I have four different skies. Again, Photoshop, the sky replacement workspace remembers the last skies I was working with. If I would like to exchange my sky to something blue, like blue skies, I can do it. I will expand blue skies library, and here I will click on example this sky, and voila, Photoshop exchange my boring sky to something more beautiful, more like brighter, and I like this sky. If I would like to try sunsets, I can do it as well. I will expand a sunsets library, and here I will click on this sunset. And again, Photoshop exchange my sky to sunset sky just in no time. If I would like to change my boring sky to something spectacular, I will expand my spectacular library, and here I will click on this spectacular sky, and just like this. By the way guys, you can upload your own skies. If you will click on plus icon, you will be able to bring in your own skies, and we will talk about all this later on in our separate tutorials. After I'm happy with everything, I will close my sky library, and here guys, even after I closed my library, I will be able to adjust my new sky. First of all guys, maybe I would like to make my sky brighter or darker. In this particular example, I would like to make my sky brighter. Also, I can change temperature. I can make my sky warmer. Also, I can adjust my foreground. I can change a lighting, color, and also I can change a lighting mode to multiply or screen. And again, guys, we will talk about this more deeply later on. Output. You can specify output to new layers or duplicate layer. I prefer new layers. After I'm happy with everything, I will click OK, and voila. Now, let me show to you my layers panel. As you noticed, guys, Photoshop did add a few layers for me. First of all, I would like to bring your attention to this. Photoshop did not apply any permanent changes to your original image. If I will hide my new sky, you will see that Photoshop preserved your original image. Now I will bring back visibility of my new sky, and even after I close the sky replacement workspace, I can adjust my sky. Remember guys, I made my sky brighter, and also I changed the temperature of my sky. I can undo all these steps. Look at this. So guys, this is all about our new sky replacement feature. Let's talk about another very exciting feature. So guys, let's do it. My another favorite feature is natural filters. I love all new filters. Let's show it to you. As you can see, I have opened this image. I downloaded and licensed this image from Adobe Stock. This guy is young. He looks natural. He's not too happy. He's not too sad. He's not too impressed with anything. What if I would like to change his facial expression? Or what if I would like to turn his head slightly to the right or to the left? Can I do it? Yes, I can. To do so, guys, I will click on filter, and here I will click on natural filters, just like that. Photoshop opened a candy store for me. First of all, I will enable Smart Portrait, and here guys, look at this. Remember guys, I asked you, can I change his facial expression? Now I will show to you how. What if I would like to make this guy look surprised? To do so, I will move surprise slider slightly to the right. You can make this guy looks more wow or just wow. It's up to you. I would like to make him just like wow. So to do so, I will move this slider slightly to the right, and Photoshop will do the job. Now he looks surprised, just like wow. If I would like to make him like wow, I can do it as well, moving surprise slider all the way to the right. Now, what if I would like to see how this guy will look in his 40s or 50s or 60s? I can do it moving my facial age slider. I will move it in the middle to the right, just like that, and look at this. Now we can preview how this guy will look in the middle of 40s or 50s. So guys, how about head direction? What if I would like to move, turn his head slightly to the right or to the left? Today with you, I will turn his head slightly to the left, just like this. Look at this, guys. It's absolutely amazing. Also, you can play with his hair, with lighting. You can do whatever you like. But now, because I would like to save your time, and we will talk about all these filters more deeply later on, what I will do, I will click OK. And now I will show to you another example. Here, guys, I have opened my black and white image. So this is simple black and white image. Can I colorize it? Of course I can. I can spend hours and hours colorizing this image, because this image has trees, clouds, houses, and everything like this. Can I do it faster? Yes. To do so, I will click on filter again, and once again I will click on neutral filters. And here, guys, what I will do, I will enable colorize filter, just like that. And look at this, just like this. Photoshop colorized this black and white image for me. I didn't spend even 60 seconds on it. Look at this. And again, guys, if you would like to adjust anything, you can do it as well using this beautiful scene colors sliders, and we will talk about this more deep later on. So guys, this is all about new beautiful filters, natural filters in Adobe Photoshop. Now let's talk about another my favorite feature in the new update for Adobe Photoshop on desktop. Now, let's talk about my another favorite feature in a new update. Guys, if you're a graphic designer or you work with packaging design all the time, if you love patterns, this feature is for you. Personally, I love this feature. So let's start. As you can see, I have created my new document, and now I have only one layer, and this layer is locked. I will create a new empty layer, just to show to you that you can add as many layers in your pattern creation workflow as you need. And after that, I will click on view, and here I will click on pattern preview, just like this. First of all, I would like to bring into my new pattern my painting. I painted a few weeks ago. So this is my painting. And look at this. Photoshop created already pattern for me. But I would like to adjust it. I would like to make this painting smaller, and I would like to reposition it just like that, somewhere in the middle. Now I would like to bring another asset into my new pattern design. To do so, I have opened a shapes panel, and here I have opened flowers library. I will click on this flower, and I will drag it into my new design, pattern design. I can make it smaller or bigger, it's up to me. Now I will click on text tool, and I will type my own name, Victoria, just like that. Of course, guys, I can change type, font, I can change color, I can do whatever I want with my text. But today we are talking about pattern, not about our text. And I will reposition this text somewhere, maybe here, just like that. Maybe just like this. Yes, I like this design. Now, if you notice in my layers panel, we have a few layers. I would like to bring your attention to this. If you would like to save your pattern with white background, you can save this pattern as it is. If you would like to save your pattern without any background, you will need to delete your original background layer, just like that. And now I will show to you your patterns, just like that. This is a new pattern we just created with you. In the patterns panel, I will click on plus icon, and I will rename my new pattern to Victoria's Max Tutorial. Just I will spell it correctly. Tutorial, just like that, and I will click OK. This is our pattern. As you notice, this pattern now is located in my patterns panel. For now, I will open this image. Remember, guys, we were working with this guy in our previous example, and now I have two layers. I have this blue background, and top layer is image of this guy. Now I would like to add my pattern we just created with you to this background. To do so, I will click on my pattern we just created with you, and voila. You will say, Victoria, what is this? It's just a simple image, nothing too impressive. I want to see pattern we just created with you. Look at this layer Photoshop created for us in a layers panel. This is our pattern we just created with you. Double click on it, and now Photoshop displayed pattern fill panel for us. Here, guys, we can scale our pattern. I will scale this pattern to pattern value to 11, just like that. And if I would like, I can rotate my pattern just like this. After I'm happy with everything, I will click OK. And here, guys, look at this. We have our pattern perfectly displayed behind this guy. So, guys, you can create different patterns. You can create patterns for your painting, you can create pattern for your graphic design, for your packaging, for your fashion design. You can use this feature in many different ways. So guys, this is all about what I wanted to share with you about the latest update for Adobe Photoshop on desktop. We will talk about all my favorite features more deeply later on. Today I just wanted to let you know that we have exciting, super exciting update. So go update your Photoshop right now. Guys, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for all your support. Again, if you have any questions, just ask. Don't hesitate. I'm here for you. Thank you guys. I love you. See you later. Bye.